History of the English language and literature. Unit 5. 5. 5.1 American English and British English. Word cause most of the American expressions are used and understood in Britain, and similarly the British expressions are also used and understood by the American speaker. Some examples of American words with British equalization in patterns are given below. Pattern through the apportionment effects and through glory store shop social football and soda Fiji drink. American English has also found its way into the British world inventory throughout industrial, technical, and political activity. Some example of vocabulary added into British English are cafe, tree, cocktail, electrocher, and fan follower of a celebrity. Simulative and semantic variation. In the case of collective noun, the British are more likely to use a plural verb shape. For example, the general public are the army are marching. The use government are believed believed to favor. The following example are from British version written with American phrases in parentheses. The word affair means a problem very special to from then its field. The handiest hand Craig had truly not did not have any local on it. It will inform it her. In the morning, he was waking up. He worked at it with the aid of a maid servant. We can detect variation in the preference of preposition to a drive live in on an evidence. A passage gets into or out of one or of a real variations in account. There is a difference in British and American accent. You can notice this difference when you watch news reports on BBC English and Fox News. The British account is a future differentiated according to reason and literacy level. A good example of different accent of British English is in the movie My Fair Lady. Native speakers of British English and American English often do not find it difficult to understand on another speech if you listen carefully. You will not only find a difference in American and British and but also in Australia a Canadian English accent variations in spelling. British and American variety of English is also characterized by difference in spelling. We using the computer of smart phone. You have the option of selecting British or American spelling. Well, American spelling is more commonly used these days in India. The British spelling is still in use, especially in academic writing. Example: the use of our instead of our in spelling of some word like ev- severe. American spelling severe. British spelling favors American spelling favors British spelling behavior. American spelling behaviors. British spelling color. American spelling color. British spelling etc. However, it must be noted that there are several words in British English which use or instead of our as seen in words like instructor, editor, debater, factor, visitor. The uses of instead of in words like fevers very matters. The use of letter C instead of C in words like difference offense. Dropping the final letters in such words are traffic physics, almans, and music. Not to double the last consonant will we add success. For example, canary instead of cancelled and travels instance of travels check and check the use of c instance of j in words like analysis origins etc varieties within notionally variety you later realize that the English as used by the British is not a one come English. There is very of English written the British people in the following section. You will read more about the different varieties of English written the national variety in India. Also, you many have noticed that not all Indians speak the some kind of Indian English. India English spoken by a Punjabi is different from the spoken English of a Bengali or a Malayali speaker of English. If there is a regional influence of the mother tongues of English, will varieties of English are new expectable of academic purpose. Academic purpose use of standard English is a preferred standardized language is one that is used extensively based of exercise pre-listing and it is found in word book and syntax books and it together in school schools of college standardized variation of English is standard because its user have agreed to utilize it in many locations for diverse functional regionally dialects based the standard English. There are numerous log and various related dialects in the use and of different English speaking global location. America has three or four most important normally dialect within the Dialects within the extent part of the USA, North, Middle, South, Middle, and Southern ethnic and social dialects. The American version of English includes a hang range of race-related dialects along with Spanish inspired Penia Levens, Dutch, Jewish, Scandinavians, Cajun, and Scotch lyrics, Ethnic dialects sprung up inside the use writing community of imagined from around the world settled the English language of the African American is one of the most distinguishing of American English stylistic variation style in a language is selected from the alternative available to use, in particular the ones of register one stylisticity veracity that constantly renew itself is slang along different slang as a internationally unworthily from the form of speech was uses suggested that the use of it is in written unique expression about the situation of that trade in called B language, including a gender based of Leo prohibited trade indicating that the side speaker isn't a part of the system of it can be difference code that marks some reality chase for cheap or protest the person from implied clarification consistence of our upgrade for the ultimate final. Slang is increasingly common, especially with younger generation and internet user. Variation within British English, as we understand that the British Island had used dialects from the times of Anglo-Saxon, and the historic continuity extend in them, as you already learned. Three are several variations within the British English topographical dialects phase progressively into an Another along 200 say thoroughly found section deluxe region and blended them into many ones which more or less correspond to the correction of Middle English dialects, mainly Southwest dialects, East dialects, West Central dialects, East Central dialects, Lower North dialects, and Northwest dialects. He divided the dialects region based on seven factors of pronunciation, but as are both are single the specific shape embedded by the present the English language in present land is the outcome of the history of 50 100 years with linguistic and cultural improvement taking place at every justice ang- Anglophone words nation based the American and British variety of English. There are different types of English used all around the world. Correctly, the English language is used at a primary, second, and overused language in most part of the world. English first or primary language is widely used in South Africa, Canada, and New Zealand and Australia. In other country, it is far exceedingly vital as a second language. For example, in countries like Tanzania, Nigeria, India, Malaysia, Kenny, most African national, the Pacific and the Caribbean throughout its growth, the English language has been assimilated in native language, resulting in distinctive form of English in each country. In countries like China, Japan, Russia, English is used as an overseas language for trade purpose, and its use as first or second language is not encouraged. Mm, Irish English, along started that English speaking in learned is an antiquatic variety related to both USA and British. The immigration or transportation of largest number of Irish men and women to the British colony and the United States has had an effect on other kinds of English internationally. The impact of the Irish variants of English on that of the Caribbean and the Newfoundlands, as an instance, is greatly predictable. The colonization of learned by the British also led to the es- es- separate of the English language in learned in the northeastern place. The Irish version of English mixed into the version of Scots, which was brought by means of colonies from the Scoting lowered with population was maximum in those area. Nigerian English. The English language in Nigeria is a second language. The activities which include the slave trade and the colonization by of England along alongside the west coast of Africa. Said the speaker of the English language in Nigeria, the wider spread expansion of English and language of utility was additionally strengthened by local domestic practitioners of English. We were educated abroad and later returned to trade nation with a good foundation in England, especially future of Nigerian English. Nigerian English tend to have fewer vowel sound, ending consonant and less consonants clustered than British English. Hence, many English verbs sound are not distinguished by Nigerian and lots of middle and ending consonant sounds are present. Three is regularly no separation among were like sheep and sap and once likes heart hot and hot future. The English in Nigeria is tongues Every phrase has a deducted tones as per context. The intonation in Nigerian English is restricted to the rising tone in a quarterly of a say on no nature and falling tongue for a sentence phrase structure. The omniscience of the subject is because Hasi is a freshman representation of subject. Me, I do not have case sentence without a verb. How father as opposes to how is your father. Omissions of article. You assert reality in place of you assert the reality. Vowels sound both I and I are starred such that had and he are did. Both you and you reported you such that pull and pull are pull. Both A and A are reported, such can had and dead are paid. All and are carry one such that bad heart and but are all. Consonant sound. Both O and sounds are generally reported D and T. Then is said with time and then for them. N is reported or making wrong is reported are ringing. I and are pronunciation confusions rose and loss cholesterol of consonants as instance film monotheistic helps.